Today you will learn how to make this swirl in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, select the ellipse tool, click once on the artboard. Let's make a circle of 100 by 100 pixels. Click OK. First of all, remove the white fill color of this circle by clicking None option. Now go to Edit, copy, go to Edit again, click Paste in front. Now first click on this link icon, increase the width to 200 pixels. Height will automatically change to 200 pixels. Now select the smaller circle, go to Edit, copy, go to Edit again, click Paste in front. New pasted circle is selected. Press and hold Shift key on your keyboard. Drag from upper side and connect with bigger circle. Zoom and see that our circles are connected or not. To clearly see the connected part, go to View, click Outline. Press Z for Zoom tool. Select the part you want to zoom. You can see they are connected. Now copy this circle and paste in front. New pasted circle is selected. Press Shift key to move this circle vertically and connect this circle with bigger circle outline like this. As you can see, the lines are also connected there. Now select these both circles, go to Edit, copy, go to Edit again, click Paste in front. Now press Shift key and rotate these to 90 angle. Now get out of outline mode. So our basic shape is ready. Now select all these circles and choose Shape Builder tool. We will divide all these shapes to two main shapes. Click and drag to create a shape. So I have two main shapes here. Now select both these shapes and move these to other area so that we can remove the extra unwanted shape. Now copy and paste the shape, press Shift key and rotate these shapes like this. Now select all these again and copy and then paste in front. Now again rotate the shape so you can see our shape is ready. Now select Shape Builder tool and click once on every part. Basically we are cutting down bigger shapes to these small shapes. Now select all these and remove the stroke color to none. And double click on the gradient tool. Let me place it here. Apply the basic gradient. Choose radial gradient. Now double click on this dot to choose your desired color. In this video I am selecting a red color. Now repeat the process on other side. Let me choose orange color. Now place this little dot to right side to make depth in the shape. So our shape is ready, but there is very important task remaining. Select all these shapes manually one by one and drag them to other side. Now you can see we have some rough unwanted lines on the artboard. And select all these shapes and delete them. Now you can increase the shape size so our shape is ready. You can see the fine detail in this shape clearly. So I hope you have learned how to make this swirl in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. See you in the next video.